Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Father's Day and we actually woke up super late. I kind of wanted to have like a steak type of lunch for my dad today, and I was supposed to get all readied up, like makeup and hair and just, you know, like something better than what I'm wearing and how I'm looking like right now. But it should be fine. We're just doing a little barbecue anyway. But I did want to take like a sibling picture so that we can give it to my dad. But I don't know if that's even happening because I don't know who's going to be there from my siblings. So yeah, we're just heading out right now. I'm just waiting on George. He's doing something. Morning. Morning, lovey. Where's my dad? Is he up there? Happy Father's Day!
Thank you, Daddy.
Love you.
Love you too.
You want a steak?
Steak?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
We're making steak and pasta.
Oh wow. I'm on diet.
You are whatever. Okay,
I was on diet. Make sure you make me a salad soup.
Just came around the corner. He's upset that he can't go see my dad. Come on, let's go over here. Wait, be careful. He's over here.
Hey, Caramba. How are you?
Se fue para allá. Come here. He's over here. Lovey, he's over. Se fue para el otro lado.
Dada. You want to say hi?
Aww. Oh my God, he misses you. No, no cat. Come on, let's go. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Congratulations, everybody.
Kaido just got into a big pile of mud. So I had to wash him off. But anyway, I am here with my brother now. We are going shopping. But we can probably stop at GameStop or something. Oh, look at him. I can just tell he's just about to be bad. So it's almost 2 in the afternoon and I've just been sitting here for the past like hour filming TikToks and I'm having so much fun. They're so funny. The ones I have planned for this week they're so funny. But yeah, now I think I'm gonna go to Ulta because I need to pick up some new stuff for a haul that I'm filming today. So I don't know if I'm taking the camera with me because in like big stores, they don't like me recording with my camera. I might pull out my phone and be a little sneaky, you know? But also I need to go to Kroger because I've been promising one of my subscribers here on YouTube, her name's Lucero. She's been asking me for the recipe for one of my like family's favorite pasta that I make. So I feel like I should go buy the stuff today. I might not make it today, but I might make it sometime this week. Lots of things to still do today. I also went live this morning and it was so much fun. This is the look that we created. So pretty. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like I'm gonna still film a couple more TikToks. If not, I'll just head out right now. But I just wanted to check in, look at my mess right now. And also, I'm still filming a TikTok. And I just need to put all the makeup away and set up for me maybe streaming later. But someone's been keeping me company back here. He actually scared me during my live. I didn't know he was back here. I love you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love you. So I've been struggling the past hour trying to like prop my phone up to make TikToks on this. Literally my brushes, and it's been falling down. But look, I didn't know my tripod could do this. It literally just flipped to the other side. And I'm good. Look at that. That looks so much better. What a good angle. I just got home from Ulta, and before I film, I need to retouch my makeup. Not only that, I need to eat. I haven't eaten anything all day. I stopped by McDonald's. I got some fries. And also the new spicy crispy chicken sandwich. Hopefully it's good. It's in there. Looks like McDonald's. And then I did get a Coke to go along with it. So, should I show you guys if I like this burger or not? Probably. Probably yes. Fries on point, like always. It's not crispy, like at all, but it has good flavor. Would I crave this out of nowhere? Probably not. It's pretty good. I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna get to filming, and then we're gonna go. I really want to take him out today because the rest of the week looks like it's going to be storming. So my siblings are here, and they're making me cook. How rude. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this really easy pasta. It has been requested by Lucero for me to show you because she said that it sounded good. And my brother's here. He's the one that's like obsessed. This is mini, but you can get the regular sized ones. You're gonna need 1 or 2 of those depending on how much you want. My kitchen's a mess currently. And the type of Alfredo pasta that I use is the Bertolli Alfredo sauce. This right here. I got 2 just because I like it very saucy. And this is the kind of sausage that I use. This is the Sumo's Party Time brand smoked linked sausage. And all I have right here first is to boil some water. I'm gonna add some salt, but not too much, because we're gonna be adding seasoning to the sausage and you don't want it to be too salty. While the water's boiling, I'm gonna cut up the sausage, so I'll see you in a bit. Here, so the sausage, obviously you can cut it the way that you want to, but I like to do slices like these. And kind of big. It doesn't have to be too small or too big. Hopefully you can see. So I'm gonna cut the rest of the sausage and then I'll meet you back here. And this is the sausage all cut up. Now I'm gonna get a skillet and start pan frying it. Now that the water is boiling, I'm gonna add the pasta. I like to cook my pasta al dente, so I actually do 7 minutes instead of the full 8. Now we're gonna let that boil again, and actually we're gonna add a timer for 7 minutes. On this pot on medium heat, I'm just adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You can use any type of oil you want, but that's just what I use. And basically you're just gonna add all the sausage. Okay, so now I'm just gonna toss these around. Don't mind my lash that's literally coming off. The backstory on this pasta is basically me being 13 or 14 years old with nothing to cook at home. And me being hungry, I found all of these ingredients in the fridge. And I was like, well, sausage doesn't really go with white sauce. And I was like, whatever, I'm still gonna make it because I'm really hungry. And then I made it and it was delicious. And now my family really likes it as well. So I know this isn't your typical pasta, but this is how I make this pasta, if you know what I mean. That's the little backstory. Now let's check back on the sausage. You see that? It's getting a little fried on the outer corners. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be delicious. Timer just went off, and I'm gonna drain the pasta and then we'll add the sauce. Okay, now that the pasta is drained, I'm gonna put it back on the pot. And then you just add the entire thing. I forgot to mention earlier that you can I have literally used fettuccine pasta. I don't think I've ever used spaghetti, but I've used fettuccine, I've used penne for this pasta, and I've used farfalle. So whichever one you want or whichever one you have, that's the one you should use. I'm gonna grab my pepper and I'm gonna add a little bit to the pasta. Now that most of them are getting a little color on them, so this is the more spice seasoning, but if you can get the regular Tony's, that's even better. But this is amazing on this sausage, guys. And actually, before I continue, I have used other kinds of sausage for this pasta, and it doesn't taste the same as when I make it with this. So just bear that in mind. Sorry, I'm just opening a brand new Tony's. I usually make this at my parents' house, so I have one there. And then I just add it, and this is why you don't want to salt your pasta water too much, because Tony's has salt in it. And this is to your taste. If you don't like it too salty or you don't like it too pan fried, then go ahead and do you. I'm just giving you basically the skeleton to this recipe so that you can follow it and do it however you like. So I wasn't recording, but I'm serving Matthew on this bowl because he has a really big stomach and he likes this pasta a lot. So I'm just giving him more in here. But basically to plate it, you just literally throw everything in. And I'm adding a little bit more sausage. You want more? That's good? Wait, it's really hot, Matthew.
It's alright. You get a couple, or a lot, but it's hot. So. And then you get at least one sausage.
It's really hot, baby.
Again, it's not hot. Not hot. I didn't.
You didn't chew it.
I did. That's how it goes down.
Comment down below if you think Matthew chewed or not. He never chews his food.
But yeah, you just get a lot.
Kaido, look at Kaido.
And then sausage.
That's Matthew's famous pasta. This is your favorite pasta ever?
Indeed.
He literally asks for it every single birthday.
I'd rather this than Cheesecake Factory.
Can you imagine? All right. What you want? You want some water? Yeah, he's kind of thirsty. To finish off this very long day, we are watching Doctor Strange. Say goodnight, y'all. No, puppies, are they bothering you, my love? I love you. Good night. Say good night, everybody.